We're very excited to have everybody here. So we're going to be playing West Orange in this final match. Again, there's a 5-point play followed by a 10-point round. No, check your buzzer. Check your buzzers, you guys. Check your buzzer. Hey, West Orange, can you turn your table tent, please? Oh, sorry.
Can you see our...
I need to be able to see your buzzer light also. So.
We'll hold it up.
Yeah,
Well,
or indicate somehow. Everybody, please, when you buzz in, please wait to be acknowledged before you call out the answer. Okay, so we're going to start with the 5-point round. West Orange, are you ready? Yes. Trinity Prep, are you ready?
Yes.
Question 1, grammar. Provide the first person singular pronoun that correctly finishes the sentence. Tommy and Sammy are smarter than Julie and blank. Trinity Prep?
5.
Correct, 5 points. Question 2, fine arts. The 3rd of May, Saturn devouring his children, and the sleep of reason are all works by what romantic painter?
Can you...
The 3rd of May, Saturn devouring his children, and the sleep of reason are all works by what romantic painter? 5 seconds. Time has elapsed. Francisco Goya. Question 3, mythology. Who is the Roman goddess of the harvest? Trinity Prep?
Series.
Correct, 5 points. Question 4, religion. According to the 4th noble truth of Buddhism, freedom from suffering is possible through practicing what? West Orange.
The Eightfold Path.
Correct, 5 points. Question 5, literature. In the Arthur Miller play, The Crucible, name the character who is seen by Reverend Pierce running around in the forest naked. Trinity Prep?
Abigail?
Incorrect.
Pass.
Mercy Lewis.
Don't we lose points?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
Question 6, statistics. Johnny earned an 82 on his test. Johnny was disappointed, but then heard the distribution of scores was fairly symmetric, with a mean of 76 and a standard deviation of 4. What is the z-score for his grade? Trinity Prep?
1.5.
Correct, 5 points. Question 7, psychology. What sense is most closely tied to memory? West Orange?
No.
Correct, 5 points. We just learned that. Question 8, algebra. Simplify the following number by using the imaginary number I. The square root of negative 405. West Orange. Incorrect. Trinity Prep?
9 times the square root of 5 times I.
That is correct. 5 points. Question 9, philosophy. Give the title of the novel that contains its author's most extensive statement of objectivism.
Oh.
West Orange. Correct, 5 points. Question 10, geography. Bangladesh and Laos border Myanmar, Name one of the other 3 countries that also border it. Bangladesh and Laos border Myanmar. West Orange.
Burma?
No, I'm sorry, incorrect. Trinity Prep.
Vietnam.
Incorrect. India, China, or Thailand? Question 11. History. Which traveler served Kublai Khan for 17? Trinity Prep.
Marco Polo.
Correct. 5 points. Question 12. Calculus. Find the average value of y equal 2x to the third plus x plus 3 from x equals 0 to x equal 2.
Can you repeat the question?
Find the average value of y equal 2x to the third plus x plus 3 from x equals 0 to x equals 2.
5 seconds.
I do too.
Time.
8. Question 13. Music. The song, The Rhythm of Life, comes from which musical?
Seconds.
We'll find out.
Time.
Sweet Charity. Question 14. Physics. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Describes which of Newton's... West Orange.
Is third law?
Correct. 5 points. Question 15. Biology. Name the type of macromolecule that is composed of amino acids. Trinity Prep.
Protein.
Correct. 5 points. Question 16. Anatomy. Name the only bone in the skull which articulates with the rest of the skull at a movable joint. Trinity Prep.
The mandible.
Correct. 5 points. Question 17. Chemistry. How many atoms are in the following compound? Sulfuric acid. Trinity Prep.
7.
Correct. 5 points. Question 18. Spelling. Spell the word cataclysm. Trinity Prep.
C-A-T-A-C-L-Y-S-M.
Correct. 5 points. This is the 2-question warning. Question 19. Government. On May 4th, 1970, 4 anti-war student protesters were shot and killed by the Ohio National Guard at this university. Trinity Prep. Correct. 5 points. Question 20. Geometry. What is created when a shape is repeated and covers a plane without? Trinity Prep.
So tessellation.
Correct. That's the end of the 5-point round. We'll take a minute break and then Mr. Buzzer, please. Trinity Prep, Mr. Buzzer. Thank you.
Are we done?
West Orange, are you ready? Trinity Prep, are you ready?
Yes. Quite.
Okay, this is a 10-point round. Please listen for the number of parts in each question. Question 1, mythology, 3 parts. Zeus is the god of the sky and thunder in Greek mythology. 1, what is the name of his wife? 2, what is the name of his father? 3, what race did his father belong to? Trinity Prep.
Hera, Cronus, and Titan.
Correct, 10 points. Question 2, religion. 3 parts. At one time, the 7 deadly sins were considered more important to avoid than following the 10 commandments. Examples of the deadly sins are gluttony and greed. Name 3 others. West Orange.
Lust, envy, pride.
Correct. 10 passions. Question 3, spelling, 2 parts. Spell the following 2 words. Parallelism and onomatopoeia. Trinity Prep.
P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-I-S-M. O-N-O-M-A-T-O-P-O-E-I-A.
Correct. 10 points. Question 4. Literature. 3 parts. Name the titles of the 3 plays in the famous trilogy written by Sophocles. Trinity Prep.
Oedipus the King, Oedipus at Colonus, and Antigone.
That's correct.
That's correct. Thanks, Michael.
Rex and Oedipus, yeah, probably.
Yeah, that's fine.
Question 5. Grammar. 1 part. What one word change is necessary to make the following sentence grammatically correct? New York, with its towering skyscrapers and Broadway shows, are a major tourist. Trinity Prep.
The R should be changed to is.
Correct. 10 points. Question 6. Fine arts. This very elaborate artistic style began in France immediately following the Baroque period in the 18th century and is characterized by charm, subtlety, and delicate colors and designs. This very elaborate artistic style began in France immediately following the Baroque period in the 18th century and is characterized by charm, subtlety, and delicate colors and designs. West Orange. That is incorrect.
5 seconds.
Rococo.
The answer, Rococo. Question 7. Statistics. If license plates in the state of confusion contain exactly 5 digits, what is the maximum number of possible different plate numbers? Trinity Prep.
100,000.
Correct. 10 points. Question 8. Psychology. What is the term to describe a lack of a sense of smell?
Is it like?
5 seconds. Time.
Anosmia. Question 9. Algebra. Computation. Solve for x and y using the following equations. 1. 3x minus 2y equal 2. 2. 4y equal 2x plus 12. Trinity Prep.
X equals 4, Y equals 5.
Correct, 10 points. Question 10, philosophy, 2 parts. The major philosophies that originated in Asia that fit the following descriptions. Name them, please. 1. Strive for harmony through non-action. This philosophy literally means path or way. 2. The core concept is humanism, the belief that humans are teachable, improvable, and perfectible.
Yes, yes.
Trinity Prep.
Taoism and Confucianism.
That is correct. 10 points. Question 11. Music. What is the minimum number of musicians a band must have to be considered a big band?
There's like 1,000 That was pretty good.
5 seconds. Okay, time is expired.
10. Question 12. Geography, 2 parts. Name the 2 states that border Rhode Island. Trinity Prep.
Connecticut, Massachusetts.
Correct. 10 points. Question 13. History, 1 part. His real name was Vlad Tepes, but he is better known as blank. Trinity Prep.
Dracula.
Correct. 10 points.
Okay.
Question 14, calculus. Find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of 2xy plus y squared equal 15 at the point 1, 3. 1, 3.
I didn't agree with it.
5 seconds.
285. Yeah.
Time.
Negative 0.75. Question 15, integrated science. On average, how much energy is transferred from one trophic? West Orange.
10%?
Correct. 10 points. Question 16, biology, 3 parts. Name the organelle within the cell in which each of the following processes occurs. The electron transport chain, transcription, translation. West Orange.
Mitochondria, nucleus, and ribosome.
Correct. 10 points. Question 17. Anatomy, 3 parts. Name the 3 bones that make up the leg. Trinity Pratt.
The femur, tibia, and fibula.
Yes, correct. 10 points. Question 18. Physics, 1 part. What is the force parallel of an object with a mass of 3 kilograms on an incline of 30 degrees? West Orange.
14.5 millions.
Incorrect.
Five seconds.
Did we pass?
The answer is 14.7.
Oh!
This is your 2-question warning. Question 19. Government, 1 part. Name the amendment to the U.S. Constitution that protects against unreasonable search and seizure. West Orange. That is correct. 10 points. Question 20. Algebra, 1 part. Give the equation of the line in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through the points 7, 11 and 13, 17. Trinity Prep.
Y equals X plus 4.
That is correct. That's